In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid Gmail Promotions tab. If your important messages keep landing in promotions, and you want everything to arrive in your main inbox, this quick adjustment in Gmail's settings will help. We'll do this on the Gmail website using a desktop browser, since that's where the full settings are easiest to access. Start by opening Gmail and signing in. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the gear-shaped icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, you'll see a link that says See All Settings. Click that link to open the full settings page, where you can fine-tune how your inbox behaves. Along the top of the settings page, you'll notice several tabs. Click the tab labeled Inbox. This is where Gmail's inbox organization features live. Near the top of this page, you'll find a section called Categories. These are the checkboxes that control whether Gmail splits your inbox into primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. To stop using the Promotions tab, simply uncheck the box next to Promotions. Once you've unchecked Promotions, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There. Click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh to apply your new settings. After it reloads, you should no longer see the Promotions tab at the top of your inbox. Messages that would have been categorized as promotions will now arrive in your main primary inbox instead. A few notes to keep in mind. This change doesn't delete or lose any emails. It only stops Gmail from sorting them into the Promotions tab. If you ever change your mind, you can follow the same path back to Settings, open the Inbox tab, check the Promotions box again, and save. The setting carries over to your account, so you should notice the effect across devices that use the same Gmail account. Because all emails will now come into primary, your inbox may feel busier. That's normal, and you can continue to rely on Gmail's search to find what you need. You can also keep using your existing labels or stars if you already organize your mail that way. The key step is unchecking Promotions and saving, which removes that extra tab and keeps everything front and center. And that's it. Open Settings, go to the Inbox tab, uncheck Promotions, save your changes, and enjoy a single, streamlined inbox.